Just assuming, imagine if Obi Cubana they cash for this kind thing. BBC go carry am. I mean talk am. Yes, BBC go carry am. If to say now somebody like Zenco, now they cash for this kind of job, say now in their link, every news go carry am. In fact, Nigeria, nothing, in fact, all the media houses go shut down. But because say now the people when it be say might know ethnicize it, but the truth of the matter is that on all when your own job knack, we go know what you they do. Count your blessing, name them one by one. Some Christians will be conversant with this song, but it was sung in reverse for this one. You know, they see them.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 66, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 60.
He's counting his blessings, naming them one after the other for NDLEA. They don't nab the one biggest drug baron in Nigeria. Guess who? They call him KC Luxury. And when you hear KC, you will think he's an Igbo man. Of course, they will always attach such thing to Igbo men. But I can tell you, this one na Yoruba big boy for Lagos. The billionaire drug baron was captured. Yes. And the story has it that they do Korea. You know, where they want ship go Europe. The consignment, the package, they catch them where they want to. And the person behind of the consignment was arrested, and everything pointed towards the younger man. And when he saw that Casaladon boss, the guy went down. What happened? They nab him for airport. Nigerian security services and if they want walk, they go walk. That is the truth. And for Igbo language, in our local palace, we used to say, "Onoriako amale for nalo." You understand what I mean? It means literally that when your own job knock, people go know the ojobo where you they do. That's what happened to this young man they call Kazim. They call him KC Luxury. And some of you will be envying him. Oh, what a billionaire. You want your life to be like him. I'm not saying being a billionaire must be somebody that does ojobo. But let us think of it. The way these guys live, they are the biggest. They are the biggest, patronizers of big clubs, luxury, and all that. And he hides his own activities as a luxury brand marketer or distributor and all that. But this is what is giving them the real money. Thank God. It happened yesterday. And I've been waiting for it to be everywhere. Just assuming, imagine if Obi Cubana they cash for this kind of thing. BBC go carry am. I mean, talk am. Yes, BBC go carry am. If to say now somebody like Zenco, now they cash for this kind of job, say now in their link, every news go carry am. In fact, Nigeria, nothing. In fact, all the media houses go shut down. But because say now the people when it be say, man, no ethnicize it, but the truth of the matter is that on all when your own job knack, we go know what you they do. So make una know they oppress us with the hustle. Well, that the point is that Nigerians do not be intimidated by some of these things, some of these lifestyle that oppress you on the social media. You get the point? So that's just what I'm trying to bring to you. What is your take on this? I want to have your comment on the comment. While you help me share this video to everyone, I'm signing out. Peace out.